Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to hide rows and columns in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and like it. Thanks a lot. Let's start. For example, I'll hide only the columns, but all the listed actions can also be applied to the rows. So to hide one column in Google Sheets, select the column by clicking the heading marked with letters, right-click any part of the selected column and select Hide Column from the drop-down menu. To speed up the process, right-click the column header immediately to highlight it and select Hide in the menu that appears. How to hide multiple columns in Google Sheets. You can follow the same step for each column separately that I described earlier to hide multiple columns, but it can take a long time. So I'll show you a more effective way to do this for consistent and inconsistent columns. Click the column header to select a column, then select additional columns by holding down the Shift key and the right arrow to the desired column. To hide columns that are far apart, hold down Ctrl and select additional columns headers. Right-click any part of the selected columns and select Hide Columns in the selected range from the menu that appears. To expand the hidden columns, select two adjacent columns between which the hidden ones are located and right-click to open the menu in which we select and hide. And in order to hide unused columns in Google Sheets that take up free space and are not needed in work, click the header of the first empty column that you want to hide. Hold down the Ctrl and Shift keys and press the right arrow key at the same time. All the unused columns are selected automatically. Right-click to open the menu, select the Hide Columns option. We can also automatically hide the highlighted rows and columns using keyboard shortcuts. For columns, the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl+Alt+0, and for rows, Ctrl+Alt+9. And to show the hidden cells, select the adjacent columns or rows from the beginning and then use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+0 for columns and Ctrl+Shift+9 for rows. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.